NASA, exploring the unknown. NASA uses the help of high school students to help make progress and innovate their space travel. Here at PCTI, our manufacturing students help make parts for NASA to help them in space exploration.
The NASA HUNCH program is about uniting high school students with NASA to create hardware and give them the experience.
The NASA HUNCH program is about high school students united with NASA creating hardware, and it's just a bunch of schools being able to help out NASA with hardware or just prototypes for space. We create space hardware, flight hardware that goes up into space. We create parts for a locker and we create parts for a camera.
We have to create actuators which are like the doors for the lockers, and we create nuts and bolts for NASA so it goes into space.
I've learned that there's a lot of quality assurance taking part of this, and there's a lot of time and team effort to put in, but after some time we get used to it, and we all create very good parts to be sent into space.
I learned about working on something big, not on a smaller scale. Give me the experience of working for something big corporation like NASA. Like I said before, we made actuators, sleeves, screws, nuts, all with NASA material.
The importance of the design and manufacturing piece of the NASA HUNCH competition, or not competition, but expo, is that it is a real life application. Students are putting together different prototypes of things that can be useful in the International Space Station. So it takes them through the entire engineering process. Students have to research what works well in outer space. They have to research the needs of the astronaut. It takes them through the design aspect as well of what's involved. So if you think about it, what it does is it takes each of our students and turns them into an engineer, a genuine problem solver. That's what engineering is all about. All of the projects that you saw here today are all about that. It's about solving problems or making life more efficient for our astronauts in outer space. And it's something that's involved, that NASA's involved with, that SpaceX is involved with. So here, this is kind of like a microcosm of the overall program. So hence, extremely important. These guys are our future engineers, our future designers, getting input from folks directly working with NASA. So it's a win-win for all involved. Fantastic, fantastic expo.
With all of the skills the students have learned from the NASA HUNCH project, the students now know what working for NASA is like.